What is replacing the A-10 Warthog? Why is the A-10 Thunderbolt II still relevant? Combat legacy.
Imagine being an enemy tank crew. You hear a strange growl echoing across the battlefield. Then comes a sound so terrifying that soldiers around the world instantly recognize it. Within seconds, armored vehicles disappear in explosions. Enemy positions collapse, and one aircraft becomes the guardian angel of troops on the ground. This is the legendary A-10 Thunderbolt II. Better known as the Warthog, a flying tank killer, a battlefield icon, a combat aircraft that many military experts predicted would be retired years ago. Yet somehow, the A-10 refuses to leave. Why? Why is the A-10 Thunderbolt II still relevant in modern warfare? And if retirement is coming, what aircraft is replacing the A-10 Warthog? The answer reveals one of the biggest debates in military aviation today. The A-10 was born during the Cold War. Its mission was brutally simple: destroy enemy armor, protect friendly troops, survive heavy enemy fire. Unlike sleek fighter jets designed for air superiority, the A-10 was designed for war at low altitude, directly over the battlefield. The A-10's GAUDU-8A Avenger cannon fires approximately 3,900 rounds per minute. The cannon is so large that the aircraft was literally designed around it. The result? One of the most effective close air support aircraft ever built. For decades, troops on the ground trusted the Warthog. Because when things became desperate, the A-10 showed up, but a new generation of warfare would soon threaten the aircraft's future. As military technology advanced, questions emerged. Could a slow aircraft survive modern air defenses? Would sophisticated missiles make low-altitude attack missions too dangerous? Many defense analysts believed the A-10's time was running out. The U.S. Air Force has proposed retiring portions of the A-10 fleet multiple times over the past decade. Supporters argued newer aircraft could perform similar missions. Critics disagreed because no aircraft seemed capable of replacing everything the Warthog offered. The debate became one of the most controversial discussions in military aviation. Then, combat operations delivered an unexpected answer. The future may eventually belong to newer aircraft. Technology will continue advancing. Aircraft will become smarter, more connected, more stealthy. But the A-10 Thunderbolt II leaves behind a legacy few aircraft can match. It protected soldiers, destroyed enemy armor, and earned a reputation respected around the world, whether retirement comes soon or years from now. The Warthog story is already legendary. Love legendary military aircraft? Want more hidden aviation secrets? More combat stories? More military technology documentaries? Then join Supersonic News right now. Because the next aircraft we uncover may be even more controversial, even more powerful, and Hiding Secrets History Almost Forgot subscribe. Now like, comment, turn on notifications, and remember, legends don't disappear. They leave a legacy that echoes across generations.